what was it? The only thing I was playing was music.
No, it was moaning. Come on.
Ain't no damn moaning.
Yes, hey, Dada, why you watching nasty stuff?
And Daddy ain't watching nasty stuff.
Yes, you were.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Young, and welcome back to our channel. Real quick, if you haven't already, please make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and everybody hit that notification bell. Now, I know it's been a long time no see, guys, and we apologize for that. There are perfect reasons why we had to take a break from YouTube. Health problems on my part. We're going through family issues, and then also we just had to make sure other things in our lives were on a straight and narrow path before we focused our time on YouTube and things like that. But we are back for now. We apologize. We might talk about that in the intro or something like that, maybe after the prank or something like that. But you guys are here for this banger that your boy thought of. I am currently in our home gym, which is in our garage. You know, we invested a good amount of money. Sorry if that light is too bright, but you know, we invested a lot of money in the home gym. Your boy's trying to get right, you feel me? It's already midsummer. Your boy is making good progress. But anyways, in the middle of during our workouts, we always play music, We love listening to music while we work out, stuff like that. But in the middle of our workout, I am going to go to the bathroom, act like I gotta do a number 2 or something like that. I'm gonna be going for like a good 5 minutes. And while I'm in there, I'm gonna cut the music off from my phone. I always play music from my phone. And while I'm in there, I'm gonna be playing an X-rated sound over these speakers. And I'm gonna have these speakers loud, y'all. I'm gonna have them real loud to like the max level. And hopefully she don't go in the house. But hopefully she be scrambling around. Hopefully it's just a funny reaction, y'all. I think it's gonna be a funny video. I don't know if she's gonna get mad at me. I don't know if she's gonna laugh and be like, what the hell is he doing in there? I don't know how she's gonna react, but it should be a good one, y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, y'all. And let's get it, man. Bah! Hey y'all, so Lisa actually went back in the house to check on our daughter real quick. So, hey man, let's just hope this works, man. Cross your fingers, let's get it, man. Young Squad, we got this, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. Let's get it. Bah!
What the hell is this doing? Babe! Babe, what are you doing? Babe! What are you doing?
I just got out the bathroom out here.
What are you doing? In the bathroom?
I'm getting hot right now. I'll be out there.
Alright, come over here. What are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
Say, mommy, I just did a number 2.
What are you doing?
I just did a number 2, mommy.
Yeah, she probably said you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't. What were you doing in there?
Babe.
Babe, what the hell were you doing in there?
Nothing. I was freaking doing a number 2.
Oh, you were doing
Take a shit
something.
and eat.
You were doing
I said,
something.
mommy, calm down.
You were doing something. Something that only came on the
Girl, you tripping. Ain't no one doing it.
Yes, it did. That's why I turned it off. Why do you think it's cut off?
Hey, I don't know why you cut it off.
Cause the damn sound came on down. Neighbor couldn't hear it. What the hell are you even doing in there anyway?
Babe, I was doing a number 2.
No, you were not. You
Yes,
were
I
doing
was.
that. You were doing that.
Say,
and
mommy, I
doing
was doing number 2.
No.
Say, mommy, it's too hot in here for all that nagging.
No,
Daddy didn't do
you
nothing.
were doing something in there.
No, I was not.
Besides the number 2.
What was it? The only thing I was playing was music.
No, it was moaning. Come on.
Ain't no damn moaning.
Yes, it did. Warning
Babe.
was coming on. Yes, I did.
Quit
Yes, it
playing.
did. I had to come here and cut it off.
Quit playing with me.
I'm not
And
doing
that's
it.
on my phone.
That's why I called you. I wanted to call you if the music was coming on. let you poop and pee.
Babe, look, I was in here looking at stuff.
No, yeah, no, looking at something else.
No, I was looking at Dogecoin. Babe, I was not looking at nothing. You tripping.
Man, yes, you were. No, I'm not tripping.
Say, mommy, it's too damn hot in here for all that nagging.
Hey, Dada, why you watching nasty stuff?
And that nigga ain't watching nasty stuff.
Yes, you were.
Babe, you really trying to play with me.
Yes, you were.
You tripping, babe.
No, I'm not tripping.
Yes,
You were
I am.
over there watching something.
I mean, yes, you are.
No, I'm not. You were there watching
Hey,
something.
come on, man. Quit playing with me.
You quit playing with me. Mine, you talking
Right.
about you looking at stalling and pooping.
I was taking a shit.
Yeah, you were taking a shit and watching something
No,
else.
I was not.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
watching
were.
my stuff.
No, watching something freaky.
No, I was watching Dogecoin, babe. Calm down.
No, you were
And I
not.
watching Dogecoin, I just checked my email. That was it.
Yeah, okay, so someone said
Babe,
something.
don't be trying to mock
You
me.
don't be trying to play me like I freaking
Babe.
didn't hear what I heard.
Kyrie, say, mommy, stop it.
Say that stop lying to mommy.
You tripping. Come on,
Don't
baby.
look her in this. She ain't got nothing to do with it. She don't know.
It's too hot in here. You ready to work
She
out?
don't know what's going on.
You ready to work out? Ah.
She
Come on,
already
look.
been working out for some
Look
time.
at daddy. Look at daddy.
No, don't look at that.
Yes.
No.
Hey, I know you was not mad. Calm
I
down.
am not.
For what?
Cause I don't know what the hell you were doing after.
Man, I was not doing nothing. You're tripping now. You're tripping.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Look at me sweating here.
Yeah, because it's hot.
No, cause
It's 100
it's hot and you making me mad at the same time.
You done working out?
Yeah, I'm done working out. You did,
I'm down too.
cause
You
you
being
got me
petty.
mad.
Say, daddy, mommy, being
And
petty.
it's too hot to work out in here. You get to work out just standing here.
Babe, we still got 15 more minutes to go.
No, I'm done.
Through with you. Well,
I'm
here,
through with you.
take Ollie. Down too. You tripping.
You tripping. Give me my baby.
Damn.
That's my baby.
It's our baby.
Yeah, don't say my baby.
Say bye,
I
Dada.
don't know why you accusing me of watching.
Say bye, Dada.
Bye. Have a great time.
Whatever. I want you. You tripping. You messed up my whole mood.
You messing the whole way. That's how I'm done working out.
Yo, man, the damn camera cut off. I got her to argue with me for like a good 2 more minutes. I probably would have cut most of that out anyways. But now she went in the house, y'all. She wasn't trying to hear. She didn't believe your boy, so we got her, man. So let's go inside. Let's tell her this was a prank. This was a prank. Your boy was not in the bathroom getting busy, if y'all know what I'm talking about. So let's get it, man. Let's go in there. I hope. Babe. Babe. You in the living room? Say hi, daddy. Say, daddy prank mommy.
Look at Dada.
Say, daddy prank mommy. Wait, I don't want to get no copyright. Or, even though we probably won't. Say, mommy.
Say bad Dada.
Say, mommy.
Bad Dada.
Daddy got you.
Say bad Dada.
Babe, it was just a prank. Calm down. Calm down.
Say bad Dada.
Say, daddy got mommy. Daddy got you.
She wondering where the hell the song music went.
Baby, how you feeling? It was just a prank. Calm down.
No, it ain't no
Damn.
prank.
Babe, it was a prank. You was it loud?
What loud? What loud?
The little sound, the little X-rated sound.
It was not super loud, but I mean, I'm not dead. So
Smack! No, I'm playing. Damn, babe, come on now. Hey, she trying to brush me off, but you know your boy got her. Hey, I hope y'all can see her. The lighting is terrible in here right now. But your boy got her, so we back with the videos, y'all. We are back. Like I said in my intro, I will probably explain what happened to us. Basically, guys, your boy lost over 30 pounds in a matter of a few months. It was all bad. I was not feeling good about myself. And just a lot of things happened with our daughter. We had to make sure her little condition cleared up and stuff like that. But other than that, we are good. But this is the star of the show right here. Avi, say hi, baby. Say hi. All right, y'all, so that's all we got. Your boy got her, babe. How you feel about that one? You like that one? That's the first video back, by the way. I got the first hit in. You already know your boy. Hey, and I'm gonna come with some more fire, y'all. Don't even trip. Ain't no Team Lisa, man. Young squad, man. Let's get it, y'all. I'll be on my team.
No, I'll be on Team Mama.
I'll be on my team.
It's Team Mama, huh?
Hey, y'all. So hope y'all like that. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all share, like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Let's get it, y'all. Bye.